Hi friends, good morning. Today let us discuss how to find the rank of a word in dictionary with and without repetition of letters. That is finding the rank of a word if all the letters of the given word are permuted and arranged in a dictionary order. What will be the rank of the given word? That is, what will be the position of the given word? So, today let us consider the two cases, that is, where the repetition of letters is there and the repetition of letters is not there. So, before going to that, friends, I would like to tell you one thing. The main intention and the main purpose of creating this channel, Creator Adhyapan, honestly friends, sincerely I am telling you friends, this is not to earn money. This is to share my knowledge to you students, that is aspirants of various competitive examinations like bank exams or SSC CHSL and SSC CGL exams and police recruitment exams, railway recruitment exams and all other competitive examinations including GATE and placement drives, various companies placement drives. So only to share my knowledge, I have created this YouTube channel, not to earn money. So only I request you in this regard is to subscribe to my channel so that it gives me an encouragement and it gives me motivation to make more and more interesting and qualitative videos, so that with this, by watching these videos, I am sure you will crack any competitive exam confidently. I am sure of that point, friends. So my sincere appeal to all of you is, please subscribe to my channel. That is the only support I expect from you, friends. Okay friends, please subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, today let us discuss how to find the rank of a word. First, let us find where the repetition of letters is not there. That is, all are different letters. So, first let us find the rank of the word master. So, in this word master, all the 6 letters are different letters. No repetition is there. So, first you have to arrange these letters in alphabetical manner. That is, A comes first, followed by E, followed by M, followed by R, followed by S, followed by T. After arranging the letters of the given word in alphabetical manner, and you write the given word, master. Now you have to strike down all the letters starting from M. See, like this. First let us strike M. Here let us strike M. How many letters are remained to the left side of this M? 2 letters are remaining. 2. multiplied by how many letters are there to the right of this letter M? 5 letters are there, that is 5 factorial. Here only 2 letters are remaining, only 2, not 2 factorial. Here 5 letters are remaining, so that is to be taken as 5 factorial plus, let us write A. So there is no letter to the left of A, so you can take it as 0 plus, let us write S. Here S. 2 letters are remaining to the left of S, 2 multiplied by 3 letters are there to the right of S, so 3 factorial plus, let us write T. So 2 letters are remaining to the left of T, 2 multiplied by 2 letters are remaining to the right of T, that is 2 factorial plus E. There is no letter to the left of this, so you can take it as 0 plus, let us write R. So again you can take it as 0. Of course 0 into 0 factorial is 1, that is 0 into 1, 0. After adding all these things, you have to add plus 1. After doing all these things, you have to add plus 1 to get the rank of the word master. Okay friends, 5 factorial 120, 5 factorial 120, 120 into 2, 120 into 2, 240 plus 2 into 3 factorial, 3 factorial 6, 6 into 2, 12 plus 2 factorial 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. So 240 plus 12, 252, 252 plus 4, 256, 257 plus 257, 240 plus 12, 252, 256 plus 1, so 257 is the rank of the word master. Okay friends, 257 is the rank of the word master. So I hope you understand the problem clearly. So 252, 256, 257 is the rank of the word master. Okay friends, now let us see one more problem. Let us find the rank of the word Gmail. Let us find the rank of the word Gmail. All the 5 letters are different letters. So first we have to arrange these letters in alphabetical order. A comes first, followed by G, followed by I, followed by L, followed by M. Now we have to write the given word Gmail. So first we have to cut G. So how many letters are there to the left of the word G, left of the letter G? 1. 1 into 4 letters are there to the right of G, 4 factorial plus, let us cut M. 3 letters are remaining to the left of M, 3 into 3 factorial plus A. No letter is remaining to the left of A. I. No letter is remaining to the left of I plus L. That is also 0 plus 1. So 4 factorial 24 into 1, 24 plus 3 factorial 6 into 3, 18 plus 1. So 24 plus 18, 42. 42 plus 1, 43. So the rank of the word Gmail, is 43. Okay friends, let us see one more example. Jinith. ZGNITH, Jinith. So Jinith, first let us write all the letters in alphabetical way. E comes first, E, next I, no, H, then I, E, E, H, I, N, T, Z, and T, Z. All are different letters. Then you have to write the given word here. Right friends? Strike Z. 5 letters are remaining to the left of Z. 5 into 5 letters here, that is 5 factorial, plus E, no letters are remaining, so take it as 0. Cut N. 2 letters are remaining to the left of N into 3 factorial, plus I, 1 letter is remaining to the left of I into 2 factorial, plus T, 1 letter is remaining, here 1 letter is remaining, 1 into 1 factorial, plus no letter is remaining, no, so 0 into 0 factorial, that is 0, plus 1, so you have to always remember, you have to add plus 1 to get the rank of the given word. 5 into 5 factorial, 120, 120 into 5, 600, plus 3 factorial 6 into 2, 12, plus 2 factorial 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 1 factorial 1, plus 1, 600, 612, 614, 615, 616, 616 is the rank of the word Jinith. 616 is the rank of the word Jinith. Okay friends, this is how to find the rank of the given word when there is no repetition. It is a small way, smart way, shortcut way, so you can quickly get the rank of the word. Okay friends, let us see how to solve the problems when the letters are repeated. Okay friends. Okay friends, now let us see how to find the rank of a word when the letters are repeated. So, what is the rank of a word Google? What is the rank of a word Google in the dictionary? Here the letters are repeated. 2 G's are there, 2 O's are there. 2 G's are there, 2 O's are there. Friends, first we have to assign numbers in alphabetical way. E is the smallest number, so that is 1. The next higher letter is G, so G is given 2. The next higher letter L is given 3. The next higher letter O is given 4. Now, first let us consider G. What is the rank of the word G? What is the rank of the letter G? 2. How many letters are there? How many letters are there which are lower than the rank of 2? There is only one. 1 by how many letters are repeated including this letter? 2 G's are there, 2 O's are there. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. G is over. Now let us take O plus how many letters are there lower than the rank of 4 to the right of O? 1, 2, 3. 3 by including O, how many letters are repeated to the right of O? Only 2 O's are there. So 2 factorial. Next, take this O. How many letters are there with lower rank than 4? 1, 2, 3. By how many letters are repeated to the right of O, including O? There is no repetition. There is no repetition. So, plus. Next, let us take G. How many letters are there lower than the rank 2? Only 1. 1 by. Is there any repetition? No repetition. Plus. Let us take L. So there is one letter lower than the rank of 3. 1 by no repetition. So 1 plus E. So there is no letter to the right of letter E. No letter less than the rank 1. So that is 0. That is 0. After doing this, we have to add plus 1. We have to add plus 1. After doing this, here let us write plus 1. After doing this, we have to multiply these numbers with, this should be multiplied with 0 factorial. That is 1. This is 1 factorial. Multiplied by 2 factorial. Multiplied by 3 factorial. 3 factorial 6. 4 factorial 24. 5 factorial 120. These are to be multiplied by with this number 5 factorial. So 1 by 4 into 120. 1 by 4 into 120. 4 30s are 120. 30 plus 3 by 2 into 24. 2 12s, 12 3s, 36 plus 3 into 6, 18. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 30 plus 36, 66. 66 plus 20, 86. 87, 88. So the rank of the word Google is 88. The rank of the word Google is 88. Okay friends, you got it. So let us do one more example. So watch carefully, watch attentively. What procedure we are adopting? We are adopting to find the rank. Watch carefully and attentively. Now let us find the rank of the word success. So now we are finding the rank of the word success. Right friends? So the smallest letter is given rank 1. The next bigger E, that is rank 2. The next figure, S. S is given 3. All S's are given 3. The next figure, U. The next figure, U. That is given 4. That is given 4. After assigning the numbers like this, now let us go from S. How many letters are there to the right of S? How many letters are there to the right of S which are lower than rank 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 by how many letters are repeated? How many letters are repeated to the right of S? Including S. Including S. Including S, there are 3 S's. So 3 factorial into 2 C's are repeated. That is 2 factorial. That is about S. Next, U. How many letters are there to the right of U? To the right of U, lower than the rank 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. By including U, how many letters are repeated to the right of U? 2 C's are there, 2 S's are there. So 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is U. Now let us go to C. How many letters are there to the right of C lower than the rank 1? No. 0. Plus, how many letters are there to the right of C lower than the rank 1? No. 0. Plus, now E. So, there are no smaller letters than 2. 0. Plus, there are no smaller letters. There are no smaller letters. That is, now we are considering yes. Yes, U, C, C, E. So now we are taking yes. So there are no smaller letters than S. Again, for this also there are no smaller letters than S. So all are zeros. All are zeros. Plus 1. Plus 1. This we should not consider. Friends, shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? See friends, watch carefully, attentively. First let us consider yes. What is the numerator? What is the numerator? How many letters are there to the right of S lower than the rank 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 letters are there lower than the rank 3. 3 by including S. How many letters are repeated to the right of S? 3 S's are there. So 3 factorial into 2 C's are there. 2 factorial. Right? Next, coming to U. The rank of U is 4. How many letters are there to the right of U lower than the rank 4? 5 letters are there. 5 by including U, how many letters are there which are repeating? 2 C's are there, 2 S's are there. 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus all are zeros. There is no letter to the right of C lower than 1. Same thing in case of this C also. In case of E also same thing. No letter to the right of E lower than 2. Same thing, same thing. Plus 1, plus 1. Now we have to multiply these things with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 720. Okay friends. So now 3 by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 2, 12. 3 by 12 into 720 plus 5 by 4 into 120 plus 1. 12 60s. 63s, 63s, 180 plus 430s, 35s, 150 plus 1. 330 plus 1, 331 is the rank of the word success. 331 is the rank of the word success. Okay friends, hope you are clear. If you have any doubt, please post your doubt in the comment box. The doubt will be clarified in the following session sure. Okay friends, don't hesitate to ask doubts. I will clarify doubts. The simple thing you have to do is, if you have any doubt, please post your doubt without any hesitation in the comments box, so that the doubt will be taken up in the next video session and the doubt will be clarified. Okay friends, now let us consider one more example of repetition. What is the rank of the word? What is the rank of the word college? What is the rank of the word college? First, let us assign the ranks of the letters. E is the smallest letter. So let us assign number 1. The next higher letter G. I'm sorry. The smallest letter is C. Let us assign the value 1. The next bigger letter E. Let us assign 2. The next higher letter G. Let us assign 3. The next bigger letter 4. Let us assign 4. And O is the fifth letter. O is the fifth letter. Now, starting with C. How many letters are there to the right of C lower than 1? No. So 0 plus C is over. How many letters are there to the right of O? 5 letters are there. Less than rank 5. 5 letters are there. 5 by including O, how many letters are repeated here to the right of O? To the right of O, 2 L's are there, 2 E's are there. 2 factorial into 2 factorial plus, let us take L. How many letters are there lower than the rank 4? 1, 2, 3. 3 by including L, how many letters are repeated? 2 L's are there and 2 G's are there, 2 E's are there. This is over, and now let us see. So there are 3 letters to the right of L lower than rank 4. 3 by including L, how many letters are repeated? Only 2 E's are repeated. Now let us take E. No letter is there lower than the rank 2. 0 plus, now let us take G. Only 1 letter is there to the rank to the right of G. Only 1 letter is there to the right of G lower than the rank 3. 1 by no repetition plus, let us take E. So there is no letter to the right of E. 0 plus 1. We should not forget this plus 1. So now we have to multiply. Now we have to multiply with 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 5 factorial. This is of course 6 factorial. So 0 into 6 factorial we will not consider. 5 by 4 into 120 plus 3 by 3 by 4 into 24 plus 3 by 2 into 6 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. 4 30s, 35s, 150. 4 6s, 6 3s, 18. 2 3s, 3 3s, 9 plus 1 plus 1. So 150 plus 18, 168 plus 10, 178 plus 1, 179 is the rank of the word college. 179 is the rank of the word college. Okay friends. So please follow these videos. So let us see some more useful problems in our next video. Please watch videos carefully, regularly and carefully, and please do not forget to subscribe so that it gives me moral support. It gives me encouragement to make more and more interesting videos, qualitative videos, useful videos for you friends. Okay, have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe.